Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add clock widget in Windows 11. So first step, you need to search for the rain meter and you need to open this website. So once you are on this website, you simply need to download the rain meter and install into your PC. I already complete that step. So the next step you need to do is to search for a legend clock rain meter skin. Click on that and you need to open the first website, and from here you need to download the Allegiant clock. Once you complete that step, you need to go back and you need to open the rain meter. Once you open, here you can see option of Allegiant clock. Click here and here you can see dark clock, light clock. Click on dark clock. So I want light clock on this black background, so I click on light clock. Click on load. So now you can see that it is loaded. So this is the process how you can add clock widget in Windows 11. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.